Hello, and welcome to our review of the SunnyFeel Beach Chairs for adults, a versatile and comfortable seating solution perfect for all your outdoor adventures. This 2-pack of 5-position reclining chairs offers an ultimate seating experience with a high-back design, allowing you to easily adjust the armrest to find your perfect angle and relax in style. Equipped with a detachable cooler bag, phone, and cup holders, these chairs keep your beverages cool and your hands free while you enjoy camping, hiking, or any outdoor event. Built to last, the lightweight aluminum frame with powder coating supports up to 300 pounds, while the durable 600 by 300D Oxford cloth and 200 grams mesh ensure breathability and strength. Weighing only 8.59 pounds, these chairs are easy to set up and transport, making them ideal for camping, lawn concerts, festivals, and more. Whether you're tailgating, fishing, or just relaxing in your backyard, the SunnyFeel Beach Chair is your go-to companion for comfort and convenience. Add this essential piece to your outdoor gear and experience the difference it makes on your next adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.